Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Last week we carved up snowmen, basic simple snowmen, walked you guys through that. We did a full tutorial. I gave you step-by-step instructions on how to carve these cute little simple snowmen. If you guys missed it, go back, check it out. I'll try to put it in the description or have the video popping up right here. Now, this week we are going to be carving something different, a suggestion I received from somebody on Instagram. His name is Doug Roll. And Doug carves with knives, whittles, I guess, and carves with knives. Now, what he sent me was a picture of some of his work, which I'm going to put up top, and you guys can check it out. We're going to carve Santa in a chimney. Now, I thought it was really cool. It looks like it's going to be a really simple carve. I have not done one yet, so this is going to be the first video. If it comes out well and you guys want a tutorial, let me know, and I will make that tutorial for next weekend, and you guys will be able to start knocking these out. But here's the deal: you guys got to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on your YouTube notifications if you guys haven't already, and obviously if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and comment down below so I know I'm not wasting my time creating the tutorial on this. Other than that, hope you guys are having fun. Really appreciate you guys joining me, and let's start making some sawdust. Hope you guys are enjoying this carve. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell and hit all. Make sure you turn on YouTube notifications. You guys won't miss any future uploads. And just a reminder, comment below, let me know what you guys think of this. Do you guys want a tutorial? If so, we'll have that ready by next Saturday. Hope you guys really are enjoying this video. Hope you've got some great plans for the holidays coming up. With the holidays in mind, just thought I'd let you guys know I have some chainsaw art and other handcrafted items available through my Etsy store. You guys can check out the link down below in the description. Follow it, go to the store, see what I've got available. A whole bunch of stuff right now, adding stuff on the daily, so be sure to stop back and see what else is there regularly. Also, if you guys would like to help support the channel, you can do so by purchasing merch. There should be a bar below the video with t-shirts and hoodies and all kinds of stuff. Stop by there, check it out, see what I got available, and rock some Cow Hall Woodworker merch. All right, guys, that's about it. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't go anywhere. Let's finish this piece up. Well, guys, there he is, Santa coming out of a chimney. We kept it really simple. Yeah, this was a first. I think it was great, and I think I could do a tutorial on this. I really do. If you guys want a tutorial, I'll slow it down step by step, cut for cut. Comment below and let me know. I don't know what, give me 10 comments saying you guys want a tutorial, and I'll put that out. I mean, chances are I'm probably gonna make it anyway, but you know, it'd be cool to hear or see that at least 10 of you would be interested. If you guys are still here, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, and turn on YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss any future uploads. Also, keep in mind, the next video, I think we're going to announce the next giveaway. And if you want to be able to participate in that next giveaway that I'm going to be doing, first things first, you got to be subscribed, right? But you're going to want to jump on Facebook and join the page Kyle Hall Woodworker New Carvers. When you guys go, look it up. Make sure you answer all the questions and I'll let you in the group. This is where you're going to have to enter your entry in order to get into the contest I plan on doing in December. So keep that in mind. Also keep in mind the last tutorial video we did. You might want to start working on those. Just saying, you might want to start working on those snowmen. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week. Hope your week was awesome. Hope your next week's even better. And keep an eye out for the next video, guys. Thanks.